What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys for joining me each and every time you guys do choose to decide to watch my video. I'm here, I'm at the garage. I'm actually working on a little something right now that I want to share with you guys. All right, so speaking from a customer standpoint, okay, and a new YouTuber standpoint, and a fairly new Harley enthusiast standpoint, okay, sometimes we like to save a little money when we buy stuff, right? Sorry for the helicopter or the airplane that's going over here right now, but look, sometimes we like to save a little money when we buy things, right? Sometimes we can, sometimes we can't. In this case, this is one situation I think we can. One of the first and earliest upgrades we do is an LED headlight. We like to get that yellowish look from our factory Harley headlight out of there, okay? I'm not going to say that this is something that you can be cheap on, but I will say you don't have to go out and spend $400 and $500 on the Harley's day maker. Just in my opinion, is it a great headlight? Yes. Is it the brightest headlight? No. Will it give you longevity? Maybe. I don't think I know anybody who's like, well, I'm gonna change it out for an Amazon headlight. No, I'm not saying that, and I wouldn't do it either. But what I am saying is there are other headlights that might compare. Okay, maybe they don't last as long, but maybe they last as long as most of us need. In my opinion, the only thing that matters is that it's bright, it doesn't fail on you, and if it does, it would be to a point where it's so dirty or it ends up getting something inside the glass that you're just like, you know what, it's time for me to buy a new headlight. Okay, I don't know how good the day makers are at that aspect, but I would say weather gets to anything. Okay, weather makes things break down. You know, the rubber that seals the headlights and things like that. You know, a lot of times you might see some water in it. Little bugs might be able to get in after, you know, all those long rides and stuff like that. But today I'm here to tell you I have bought an LED headlight off of Amazon. Okay, mine is let me get the the right headlight. Okay, I bought one, but then a company has sent me one, and I guess from being on YouTube for a little bit, they asked me if I wanted to try out one of the headlights. I told them, if you want me to try it out, I'm doing an honest opinion. I'm not giving a BS opinion. Okay, I'll install it. Do you want it back? Because I feel like if you gave it to me and I really don't need it because I already have one, and until mine fails, I'll give this one away. So I'm gonna give this headlight to a subscriber. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion. I'm working on it now. I'm about to put it in. I'm about to show you guys where I'm at in the process of putting it in and taking it out, and you know, we're just gonna do a little test on it. We're just gonna see how bright it is. I don't have two bikes where I can show you a side by side, but I'm gonna try and just go based off my memory of my headlight, if it's brighter or not. So hang on, guys, I'm gonna hook you up. Let me know what you think of the video. Comment, subscribe. Give me a second. Okay, guys, the light I'm putting in is a TRUCKMALL. It's the LED 7-inch headlight. It also comes with passing lamps. Okay, so they're 4.5 inch. I don't have the passing lamps set up on my bike, so I'm not gonna put them on. The headlight that I do have in my bike currently is a sorry about that music in the background, guys. Is a Z off-road headlight. One thing I noticed about this one off the bat, listen, I was looking for more style than anything. I probably didn't get deep into the specs on it, so it's not the brightest. It's decent, it's better than the factory, but this is the TRUCKMALL headlight. I already started the project. Okay, I'm sorry, but I already started. I'm gonna just do For me putting everything back together, you pretty much pick it up. It's easy out, easy in. A few specs, okay? LED 6000K, okay? Scratch proof, and it comes with the whole anti-shock system, which basically is a couple of springs that go to your mounting bracket. So if you're, you hit bumps or something like that, you don't have all those easy issues. It's waterproof, IP67, dustproof, snowproof if you guys are riding these bikes in the snow. But that's just basically it, man. I won't get too far into details and go and read on all these different specs on it, because we really don't pay that any attention. If you're the type of guy that's gonna go to Amazon and spend $65 to $120 on a headlight, then you really don't need that. That's just my opinion. I don't need it. But look, these are the four. I mean, now this is a very clean setup. These are very clean, very it just looks like it should be more money than 120 bucks. Where they cut corners is probably the craftsmanship. This one came with like a bunch of nicks in it, but just because it has those nicks and scratches in it does not test the life or the rigidity of the lights, because it still looks like it's sealed perfectly. It does look like a really decent headlight. Now, before I even said yes to these guys, because I'm not going to be trying to promote something that I wouldn't put on my bike myself, I read the reviews. They all came with very good reviews. I mean, even to the point where it said they are brighter than the Daymaker. I'm not going to be able to test that for sure. A few people have said it, so it's kind of like, do you believe what everybody else is saying? Sure, you could. I mean, I don't know. I don't have a Daymaker. Mine is okay. I mean, it's not bad. I paid 65 bucks for mine, but this is, twice the price for extra 2 headlights. I think this might be something good, so let's check it out and see what it looks like. All right, guys, your kit's pretty much gonna look like this. Okay, you're gonna have your headlight. Don't forget, you have 2 passing lights. You have your bracket that connects to your bike, like that, and then you have your ring that secures the headlight to the bracket. Just by doing this before, I recommend to keep it simple for yourself. Pretty much kind of like pre-assemble this before you go and take it and put it on your bike. All right. Mine came with a black housing, okay, that connects everything to the bike. This is chrome, so they give you a chrome one with the chrome ring and that whole assembly. If you notice, this is the bottom, okay? DOT sign is the top. You're gonna pretty much line those up, okay? There's a little space that the headlight fits into this bracket, which is like right there. Trust me, guys, once you get it, you'll recognize it. So now we got that, and now we're just gonna put the attachment ring on the top. Okay, real quick, guys, just so we can get to the point. All right, after taking out your factory light, okay, you have a harness that you need to reconnect to your new harness of the new headlight. Okay, the new headlight comes with its own harness. It's basically 2 prongs and then the new prong that goes right directly into the back of the new headlight. Your old headlight had 2 holes for a high beam and a low beam. Okay, you don't have that anymore because you really don't need it. If you guys can see, high and low. I'm sorry if you guys can't see it. Trust me, that's what it says. All right, this is your new harness though. This is just one piece. These two pieces came outside of the harness of the motorcycle. This ring, very simple. It came with 4 screws and the rest of it was already basically put together. Okay, all we're gonna do is tighten that up. Tighten up these 4 screws. No, I don't have a power tool for this. Oh, please remember, guys, put a towel here just in case you drop anything. You won't be mad that you scratched the bike, okay? So make sure you put a towel there, and we're gonna basically use this slow screwing technique to tighten this up. Alright guys, so just to wrap up the video, the TRUCKMALL 7-inch, I like it. I think this is probably one of the better ones on Amazon for the money. I don't think there's going to be many that can compare to the craftsmanship, the quality, and the overall brightness of the LEDs inside inside the light. It just kind of like a no-brainer. If you don't want to spend $200, $300 on the Sunfire and all those different other, $400 on the Harley light, this is probably one of the better ones. This is your best bet. All right, guys. Don't forget, I'll have a discount code for you guys. I'll put it in the description for you. Use it. The worst that can happen, let's say you don't like it, you only spent 75, 80 bucks. If you do have the passing lamps, then you spend 120 bucks. But just in my opinion, I mean, you won't regret it. All right, guys. Peace.